Welcome back, Filmholics. I just emerged from the smoke like fucking Godzilla. Also, I just cussed. That just beeped. Whoop! But, welcome back, Filmholics. My name is Kyle Kenrick, and in this show, you'll find anything and everything filmmaking. So, today we get to check out this little thigh bag thing. But, basically, it is my favorite, and I get to show you why it's my favorite vlogging bag for phone. But before we do, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe this video. Also, my links are right appearing in the side over here, but let's go ahead and get started. I was supposed to put a transition there, but I'm not gonna. So what is this bag called? It is called a Heavy Tag Canvas Thigh Drop Leg Bag. I know, it's a mouthful. I just call it a thigh bag. So Heavy Tag thigh bag. Good rhyme. I'm gonna put that there for now. So I picked this bag because of the whole uprising of fanny packs coming back into style, but I also like shoulder bags because it doesn't feel like it's restraining. But fanny packs for me kind of feel restraining, and so does the shoulder bag. So I kind of tried to find a little half and half medium, and I really enjoyed this bag due to the fact that it really doesn't feel like you're holding anything on your whole body. You can feel like you're a ninja or something, a film ninja, a fimja. Don't say that just sounds weird. You're not cool. But now that we're done with the name, let's get to why I like it. Now I'm gonna show you two different setups. That was a weird delay. But I'm gonna show you two different setups on how I use this bag. One of them is gonna be with a gimbal and the other one is gonna be without a gimbal. That way you can have it as most mobile as possible depending on what type of filmmaker you are. So the first setup I'm gonna show is gonna involve these things right here next to my face. My first. And this is gonna be involving the gimbal that I'm gonna review in a few weeks or so. It's gonna be the Osmo 3. I don't know. There you go. It shows up. Boom, 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 boom. And what it is a foldable gimbal. And I really dig it. I really do dig it. So that's gonna be a small review right now, but I get to show you a more in-depth review later on. But it's gonna involve the gimbal, moment lens, moment case, and my Pixel 3. So first off, of course, you don't store these separately. What the fuck? Who does that? So, of course, leave it on here. And I'm gonna show you how I fill this bloody bag up. Okay, so it could either go in your phone, or you can even put it in this front pocket right here. Fits like a snug bug in a lug. That doesn't make any sense. Then you can put the moment lens inside of its pouch already in the same little pocket. Gimbal itself fits perfectly, snug like a bug in a hug. I just keep using bugs. I actually hate bugs, but fits perfectly, seamlessly in here. As you can see, ba-dum bum ba-dum bum boom. There's also front pockets if you want to bring any other things like wallets or anything like that. And then my favorite thing for cables, if you're ever using any cables, eventually I'll show you what I'm using this for, is this little front pocket keys, anything like that you use it for. But that is the simplest way to set it up with a gimbal. No microphone, because you don't want to really do that if you're just like, using a small bag like this, but I prefer it this way if I am filming with a gimbal on a phone. So, next setup that we get to do, let me just take all this bloody stuff out. There we go. So the next setup I'm gonna do is gonna be involving these things right here. If you can see them, if they would focus, because I'm moving my hand a lot. No, okay, I'm just kidding. But it's just gonna involve these things right here, and it's a lot more minimal, less stability with the whole non-gimbal thing. But if you're just starting out without a gimbal, I'd suggest using these. Solid tripod, solid audio, solid everything. So let's go ahead and get started there. We're gonna start out the same, where you can actually put your phone in the front pocket, lens in this pocket. There we go. It fitted. Tripod in the big pocket right here. Sorry about that. That was awkward. Sorry about that. I had to grab the rest of the stuff. They kind of fell down. And the microphone, which is a Rode Vid Micro, if you could see it right here, goes in the same spot as a tripod. That cat can easily fit in there. And then little phone mount in there. As you can see, also fits like a bug. And then for cables or anything that you want to bring, there it is. Perfectly in here. You can even have any extra charging cables or anything for your phone. You could put anything else in there. If you want to put a portable charger, which I also suggest bringing, I'd put it in here. My current portable charger does not work so well due to the fact I kind of dropped it. But what are you gonna do? So just imagine a little portable charger right in the back in this little zipper here. You can even put a little tablet if you honestly want, or anything like that, or notebooks or whatever you have a script for whenever you're vlogging. It'd be a good way to hide some notes as well. And it has honestly a lot of room since the zipper actually goes down all the way down to here, so you could put almost anything. It's like a small backpack but compact. That's why I love it so much. So let's go ahead and check out how it looks, and aesthetically it looks amazing in my opinion, as you can see right now, with a little bit of B-roll, with myself trying to be a little model-like, even though I don't look anything like one. So there's that. And we're back from B-roll. So the reason why I chose this bag is for the versatility. It's always on me. No like little satchel bag lingering where it's kind of like dangling anywhere whenever I try to run around and try and get a shot. It's not like a fanny pack or anything where it's just on your waist, kind of just flapping. It is safely, securely on my body for free access whenever I want. So it kind of is a hybrid of both, and that's why I love it so much. That's why, in my opinion, it's my favorite phone vlogging bag. And then if you guys are looking for a bag for mirrorless cameras or DSLR cameras for vlogging, I actually have a video of that. It's gonna be up here. I almost pointed over there, that would have been awkward. But it's gonna be up here, and if you guys want me to review anything else, just go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to review. That way I can create more content for you guys of whatever you guys want, and I also enjoy it too. So there's that. And if you guys enjoyed this content and enjoy this whole channel in general, please support the channel by liking and also following the links down in the description below. All the gear I use for this video is gonna be down in the links below, so if you guys would buy anything there per se, it'd help me out. But if you guys find a better price, go ahead and go for that too, because honestly filmmaking is expensive. Go for the cheaper one. But if you support my channel, that would help a lot too. I just blinked a lot. That was like almost like I can't think of a movie reference. That's a first. And of course, dream on. Ow! Mother Hubbard in a cupboard.